Hi everyone, my name's Kevin and this is my wife Nikki, and welcome to Exploration Theme Parks. And today we're at Knott's Berry Farm. We're gonna get on a couple rides and also check out Fiesta Village and Montezuma's Revenge and provide an update on that. So let's get to it. Alright, so we just parked in the overflow parking lot. It is gonna be packed at Knott's today. Nikki was reading up that it's still like the Knott's Boysenberry Food and Wine Festival. And there were so many people walking into the park. And they don't have a big parking lot, like their main parking lot's not huge in general, but their park isn't huge in general either, so. But it's a beautiful day out. We're gonna check out the park, check out the work on Fiesta Village and Montezuma's Revenge, and see if we can get on at least a couple rides. Alright, so we're in the park. We went through like the back entrance because we're in the overflow parking. It's going to be a crowded day, but it's a beautiful day out and we're expecting to wait in line. So I think we're going to start by going left towards like hang time and then just slowly make our way around the park. So let's go. Alright, so I think we're going to finally go on Knott's Berry Tales dark ride. You know, I think it's a kid's ride, but the last couple times we've tried doing this ride, well, the last time I was here, it was broken down, so let's give it another go. I heard this ride goes 60 miles per hour.
Ooh.
Are you ready for that?
I'm so ready.
Maybe like 6 miles per hour or less, but we'll see.
I've never been on this ride.
Neither have I. So we've only been waiting about 15 minutes so far for Knott's Berry Tales. And here's the station. Time to get our 3D glasses. Oh yeah. I win! Oh yeah! Exit through the arcade, not the gift shop. Oh, this is different. Ooh. Usually it's exit through the gift shop, but not for Knott's Berry Tales.
That's fun.
Oh, look at this huge Pac-Man.
Oh.
Look, they got a dodgeball game. Look at that.
A Connect 4. Oops.
Hoop style. Oh, very cool. Basketball.
Nice.
Alrighty then. Alright, so we just got off Knott's Berry Tales. What did you think of it, Nikki?
I loved it. It's cute.
So we waited only about like 20 minutes. It seemed longer, but it really wasn't. It's a very cool, fun, dark ride. It's one of those shooting ones with the strings, so your arm and wrist can get pretty tired shooting them.
Yeah.
But it has a nice mix of screens and with some, you know, real props. But yeah, we enjoyed it. We liked the shooting. It's just,
Yeah, it's fun.
be ready to get your arm tired. And I won. She wasn't very happy about it.
No.
All right, they do have their like Boysenberry Festival going on. They got some decor. There's Knott's Berry Tales, which we just went on. It's a warm day today.
Really warm.
Actually put on some sunscreen. Oh, it looks like it's around lunchtime, so Johnny Rockets does have a line. It is crowded at the park today. One, it's a beautiful day. Two, it looks like there's another cheerleading competition. Three, I believe they still have their Boysenberry Festival going on. So there's a bunch of things going on today, lots of people, but we're gonna make the best of it because it's a beautiful day and we are outside enjoying it. So Knott's doesn't have that many roller coasters, and currently two of them are closed. I believe Jaguar's open again, but I think long line. But there's gonna be long lines for all the rides, so I think we're just gonna dip in line for hang time, which says it's an hour wait. Let's go. So we've been waiting in line for just under an hour so far. Still got a little more to go, so it's definitely a little more than an hour, which was posted at the beginning of the queue line. But I just wanted to point out what's kind of cool. You know, the lift goes straight up, and then the chain goes right down the middle, back down. All right, so we've been waiting an hour and 12 minutes, and we're just about there for hang time. Definitely a crowded day, long lines. Of course, Accelerator's closed, Montezuma's is closed, but it's still a beautiful day out. Let's go.
That doesn't look scary. The scary part is quite low. My rod is gone.
We just got off our ride on hang time, waited a long time for it. We got the back row. There's a little rattle in the back, but it does seem to whip you around a little more. Especially the two airtime hills, love those. But the roller coaster is just like non-stop, like turning and flipping, that once you hit that brake run, you're like, whoa, my equilibrium's off. But it's a good one.
It's a really good ride.
Very
Definitely.
fun. Now we're gonna go try to find some lunch.
Yum.
There goes hang time. The boardwalk is popping right now. Boardwalk here. Got a couple of flat rides. One is not even there, so I don't know what they're doing with that. Then you got the infamous Coast Rider, which we will probably skip again today. Because it probably has a pretty decent line, and that's on the bottom of the list of rides that we want to get on today. So, and it's a crowded day, so we'll probably skip it. Sun is out. It's like 75 degrees, but you feel the sun. But it's a perfect day out. Got the flat ride right here, Wipeout. They got the tower, and they got the closed accelerator, unfortunately. We got Coaster Drive-In. Alright, so we're gonna eat at Coaster's Drive-In. Johnny Rockets had a line at the door, this has a line at the door, so I think we just had to pick a place and get in line. Yeah, so they have like special menu items for their Boysenberry Festival here. Boysenberry donut shake, smokehouse burger, chicken Caesar salad, ooh, boysenberry dressing.
Coming to the rescue.
Alright, so I went with the chicken tenders and fries. Nikki went with the grilled chicken sandwich and fries. Free water cups. They actually have a self-serve like bar to put stuff on the chicken sandwich and non-stop refills for water. Sweet. And pickles. Alright, so we just finished our lunch at Coaster's Drive-In. It was a long wait to get our food, but it's actually not bad. Nikki got a grilled chicken sandwich. How'd you like it?
It was good. It wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, so the grilled chicken sandwich, they actually give you just, you know, the bun and the chicken breast. And off to the side, they have like I guess like a sandwich bar where you can put like whatever you want, like onion, lettuce, pickles, and pepperoncinis,
Tomatoes.
And I just went with chicken tenders and fries. It was yummy. They had ranch, they had barbecue sauce. We got a seat inside. It worked out. So now we're gonna go check out some other wait times. Again, it's crowded today. Wait times are long. Just gotta deal with it. But again, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's gorgeous today.
Beautiful day. Got your carnival games. Accelerator, which is still closed, unfortunately. And we're coming up on Supreme Scream. We might take a look at what the wait time is. So we are gonna, for now, skip Supreme Scream. It says like a 45-minute wait. I believe Jaguar probably has a longer line at this point. Though it's a mild family coaster, we haven't been on it in a while, so I think we're gonna go get in the line because, I mean, the last time I was here, Jaguar was closed because they were working on Fiesta Village. So now we're crossing the tracks and heading on into Fiesta Village, which they're still currently working on for Montezuma's Revenge and kind of renovating the area. But I think they have opened a couple more attractions since the last time I've been here. Got the Wave Slinger. Yeah, last time I was here, this wall was on both sides. So like you couldn't even walk over here. Nice big tree. I mean, I don't know if this ground is new or not. Might be. We got the pirate ship open again.
They're on!
Got the other flat right over here open. But they're still working on parts, as you can see with the walls. But let's go check out Jaguar. Hey, they got the cool artwork going on there. Jaguar is this way. Haven't seen it gone. I think they did a little paintwork on this too. At least the pyramid. "90-minute wait." Whew. It's currently 2:40 p.m. Definitely a crowded day here at Knott's Berry Farm when Jaguar is an hour and a half on. But, oh well. We are getting closer. Oh, we found the skulls. right, so we just got off of Jaguar. Rawr. So it said it was an hour and a half. We only waited 47 minutes to be exact. Are you chucking?
Like and subscribe.
So what'd you think of that ride, Nikki?
What?
What'd you think of the ride?
It's fun. It's a good transition, like you said.
Yeah, so it's a Zaire, whatever, long train roller coaster. It's the perfect step-up coaster for like the kiddos, from like a, you know, a kiddie coaster to like a mid-tier family coaster. It's nice and long. It's got 2 lift hills with the drive tires. Nice long layout. You go through the pyramid. So it's a good coaster overall. The queue line's actually pretty cool with the theming inside. But yeah, now we're in Camp Snoopy and it
is crowded.
Chaos! Oh man.
It is chaos.
Camp Snoopy is a really cool kids area. I remember coming here as a kid and they have some of the old rides that I used to go on, including the kiddie coaster. But yeah, it's usually popping in this area, that's for sure, as it is today. It's a mission just trying to maneuver your way through this area. People and kids everywhere. So if the app is correct, it says Sierra Sidewinder has a 90-minute wait as well. I think we're gonna go ahead and jump in line for it and just cross our fingers that it's not quite 90 minutes, just like a Jaguar. It was shorter than what the app said. But here we go. And here is, oh.
2 hours?
Oh.
Holy moly.
All right, so we're gonna wait for Sierra Sidewinder. It says 2 hours. The app says an hour and a half. But the app also says Ghost Rider's down. So we don't want to test our luck and walk over there and have it be closed. So we're gonna wait for Sierra Sidewinder. Are you excited?
Really excited.
Not for the wait though, right?
Not for the wait. I do like this ride though.
It is a fun ride. It's way more forceful than it looks. The spinning's great on it. The layout's great on it. It just always has a long line. Hey Nikki, I dare you. I triple dog dare you to get me a churro.
Churro? Where's a churro?
I don't know.
No, we're good.
It's a triple dog dare. You have to know.
What? No.
And for anyone who's wondering, Montezuma's Revenge is still missing what looks like the launch pieces. You can definitely see it when you're on Jaguar.
You're ready.
Alright, so we just got off our ride on Sierra Sidewinder. Waited about an hour and a half for it. The app said an hour and a half. The sign at the front of the queue said 2 hours, so better for us. And that's a really fun roller coaster. It's very forceful, but very smooth. It's interactive, it spins. However, it was one train op, so it's very slow moving line. They need 2 trains running. What do you think about that? There's all these little kids shooting little balls.
I really do enjoy that ride. I really do. It's really fun.
It's a great family coaster.
Pew, pew, pew.
This family of little kids just walked up and they have these like all little wooden toys and they shoot these balls and make pew, 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 pew. And there's like 10 of them. So we're going to go walk over to Ghost Rider and we're gonna make our last minute decision if we're gonna go on it or not. Haven't checked the app, but I can only assume it's gonna be a long wait. It always is. It's slow ops. Probably the most popular ride at the park. So we shall see. Still very crowded in the park, but atmosphere is great, weather's great, and Nikki just gave me a flat tire.
I'm sorry.
Trying to break my ankle. Oh, the wonderful ghost town at Knott's Berry Farm. Love it. But let's go see how long the line is for Ghost Rider. I mean, look at the line for Calico Tater Bites.
Tater bites.
But Ghost Town is an awesome themed area. Definitely need to check it out if you haven't.
Yeah.
All right, the line is very long. It might be, I'm hoping it's at just maybe 2 hours. I'm hoping it's not more, but the line goes all the way out right here. All right, so we just finally got into the inside, and they definitely have way more cattle pens open than normal. And the app said that the line was about 2 hour wait. We were just outside right over there talking to one of the security guards, and she was like, yeah, it's gonna be like another hour. So as expected, crowded day. Ending it with the best ride at Knott's Berry Farm, Ghost Rider. Oh yeah. So Nikki just pointed it out. Yes, they have more cattle pens open, but this is the Fast Pass line. That is insane. And then this is our normal line. So the Fast Pass actually has a pretty long wait, which is why the normal line is moving really, really slow. Interesting. All right, we're finally going up the stairs. Woo-hoo. And it's starting to become golden hour here at Knott's Berry Farm. Got some more of the Boysenberry Fest going on down there. At least they don't have all these cattle pens open up here. So that means we're almost on the ride. my God, we just got off of Ghost Rider. Only waited an hour and a half. The app said 2 hours.
Yeah.
And that was probably one of the best rides we've ever had on that roller coaster.
Besides being cold.
We were like 3 trains behind from the back. This thing was hauling ASS. Like, it was insane. And it's just insane how smooth this coaster is. It's a wooden coaster. It's had like GCI retrack done on it, but oh my gosh, that's why it's a world-class coaster. Such
Blew
a good,
my mind. The best in the West.
Best in the West. So this is a section of the park where they usually have this gate closed unless they have special events.
Chamoy
like
candy.
Not Scary Farm.
It's the Mexican candy that I wanted. Oh my God.
She loves candy.
God.
But this area is like open for as part of their like Boysenberry Festival. They got like cute little shops like popcorn, Miner's Mad Dash. It looks like a game. Oh yeah, they got little carnival games.
Do they give samples out?
I don't know if they give samples out. They got plants. Oh look, photo op.
Lucky Boysenberry mine.
So this is a cool little area. Oh,
Sorry.
She's tuckered out. Long day. She's still going.
So I can't get a full one.
Oh. Yeah, no, this is a cool little area though. It's really not that crowded back here. But apparently it's boring to Nikki, putting her to sleep.
No, I like this place. Especially the chamoy candy.
Oh, Old Town during golden hour, so pretty. And we just had the most epic ride on Ghost Rider. That thing, I still can't get over how fast that thing was flying through the layout. Oh my gosh. And it's like the second half is even better than the first half on that roller coaster. So much good airtime. The helix at the end is such a great finale. Oh, so good. Yeah. All the boysenberry decorations do look nice around here.
Smells like boysenberries.
That's why Knott's is one of the best theme parks out there. I mean, they do it very well
Look at
with all
Lamb.
their themed events. Look at this. So cool. But yeah, it's definitely more crowded than normal today. Even the security guard that we were talking to in line of Ghost Rider, she was even like, yeah, it's way more crowded than normal here tonight and today. Oh no, last show of the evening. Birdcage Theater. Oh, like they got all these little shops. Part of the Boysenberry Festival. Look at this guy's literally sawing a piece of wood.
He's carving. There.
Part of the Boysenberry Festival. Look at that. And then he's got some of his work out here. So cool. Look at the T-Rex. Bald eagle. A little who?
Oh,
Not bad.
wow.
Oh, look at that Venom. Too bad there's no Star Wars.
I know.
Oh, they got Pikachu.
Look at the shark with the muscles. Oh, for Eddie.
This one's for you, Eddie. Yeah, they got all these little shops and knickknacks. I mean, they typically have that in Ghost Town, but they have even more during Boysenberry Festival. Oh. They got a poodle alert, poodle alert, poodle alert. Oh! Oh, tap room, testing car. Wilderness Dance Hall. Pretty cool. Oh, Pony Express has a really long line. It's another slow moving line. No, thank you. So that's gonna do it for our day at Knott's Berry Farm. We had a blast. It was a beautiful day out today. We got on a few rides, more than we thought we would. We had one of the most epic rides on Ghost Rider, and we got to check out some of the stuff that they offer during Boysenberry Festival. Knott's is such a beautiful park. It's such a great park. They do it very well. Some of the rides have some slow operations, but it's still a beautiful park. It still had a lot of fun today.
A lot of fun.
So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. And remember, never stop exploring theme parks.